Hear him, lawyer, now. I don't understand. My lawyer said, well, you're going to understand today. Go and pull the title for the house that your client is referring to, that he wants to get half of it. You see, when the lawyer go pull the title, the wicked baby father never know, say, God don't tell me, say, I'm wicked already and say, I'm plan up against me. So 10 years ago, when me a buy me house, God did come pinch me and tell me what to do. He never know, say, the house never had my name. My wicked baby father did a plan to take away my house and left me and they picking them for single and struggle and suffer. But me buy the house. Me buy that. Me never buy the house. I would have talked about it last one. Listen, I'm stop laughing. This is a serious story. This is a true life story. 10 years ago, God come pinch me and tell me, say,